Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2021 Bobcat S76 rubber tired skid steer loader. This is an R series loader. This unit has 259 hours and it is clean as a pin. We just did the video of its brother. It has 130 couple hours. These machines are very well equipped. They are cab, heat, air, 2-speed standard controls, auto level up and down bucket. They have automatic ride control, AM FM radio, deluxe dash, backup camera, power bob attach, 7-pin attachment control device, 12/16/5 Bobcat tires, heated air-ride cloth seat. Guys, really nice straight machines. These are 110% original. Nothing has been touched up, and they are 100% serviced and ready to go to work. We're going to start you back here in the engine compartment, and we're going to take you completely around these machines. So I was very fortunate enough to buy these machines. I'm happy that I did. Very clean, very, very nice. It's actually come out of a Bobcat Lease program, and we're at a facility and set in their maintenance department, and we're not used for some whatever reason. We did the service on it, 258 hours. We went ahead, we serviced everything, changed all the filters, oils, everything that it needed to be done, got done. We're going to go ahead and put the prop in. Underneath in the cooling system here, conveniently lifts up on the R series. You have a charge fan filter right there. It's going to be powered by the Bobcat D24 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. These are 74 horse. The great thing about these with the Bobcat machines is these are what I truthfully call non-emissions engine, and a lot of people will truthfully talk crap that I say that. The only thing this really has, it has an EGR on it. That is it. Yes, that has to do with emissions, but there is no DPF. It does not have urea or DEF. Just has basically what's called a catalyst muffler right here, and Bobcat is achieving that without having to do any type of after treatment, which is amazing. Cooling pack right up here. It's going to have your radiator and your hydraulic cooler all built into it. We did change engine oil, fuel. There's 2 fuel filters, there's inline and the big can or the big spin-on filter there. Engine oil, hydraulic, air, both inner and outer. Cabin fan filters and charge fan filters have all been changed on this machine. Tires are all Bobcat 12/16/5 heavy duties, all going to be about 85%. All 4 are matched. All of the paint is 100% original. There is nothing that has been touched up. Up front, this is going to have a brand new CID 72-inch long bottom heavy duty bucket, power bob attach, 7-pin and auxiliary hydraulic air couplers, 1/2 inch standard flow at 23 gallons a minute, 3/8 Xtreme. Cab door is complete and in beautiful condition. Inside the cab of the machine is extremely, extremely clean. Top brow of the cab is not bent or beat up. And again, inside the cab, it is a heated air-ride seat, standard controls machine. We do have a lot of people out there, for some reason, I need to make a couple of videos on this, but they don't seem to understand the concept of standard controls versus joystick. So, standard controls have been around forever. It's hand steering, feet for your bucket and boom. A joystick is hands only. So, this machine here is going to come up 259 original hours. It says the Deluxe dash in it with the AM FM radio. We're going to go up here and touch this. It's going to give us all our parameters such as tack, water temp, hydraulic temperature, everything of that nature. It even gives you your fuel temperature. Now, we can take this one step further and hit machine performance. The machine is operating at peak performance. We're going to go ahead and go to camera, backup camera, phone, we can pair it, AM FM radio, service schedule, attachments for pairing different things, and you're going to have your machine adjustments. We can go up here, we can go to our HVAC. One other nice thing I will show you, right now we're on audio. I can use this knob to turn it up and down. I can use the knob to silence it. I can also push the home button on my soft key, and it'll take me back to the home gauge cluster. Here's all your other buttons, including your auxiliary hydraulic, push to operate, your throttle, and all your other soft keys. On this side, you are going to have your auto level. One time is going to be for auto level heading up, auto level coming down. Next is going to be your automatic ride control. You can engage and disengage that. We'll go up here and hit the push to operate button and show you. There's our 2-speed, and now our 2-speed off. You can see again, it's a very clean machine inside. It's 2,900 pound of lifting capacity. Dome light works. You got your inputs up here for the radio. You have a little basket here to keep some things, and you have a cigarette lighter plug. We'll turn this back over to Braden. We're going to I'm going to fire this machine back up. We're going to run it around and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, here at Mark Supply, we do like to sell stuff that is serviced and ready to go to work. I also really like to have stuff like this. Very nice machine, speaks for itself. The snow season is going to be coming here amongst us guys, and I think this year it will be hard to find good quality rubber tires, skid loaders. I think there's a lot of junk floating around on the market right now. It's my honest opinion, but what do I know? I'm just a dumb old guy like myself, doing my thing. So again, S76, we have no emissions as far as DPF, so it does not do a burn. It does not have urea. Big, big pluses. 2-speed travel. Single speed. 2-speed travel. Single speed. Again, this machine has a lot of nice options that a lot of other machines do not have. So keep that in mind when you're looking and purchasing. What options do I really want? What options do I really need? Okay? So that's one thing with this. It is outfitted very, very well. Big thing is it has a lot of creature comfort stuff in it, just like the air ride seat. And it does have the heated air ride seat, I should say. It does have the radio package. And it does also have basically what they call a convenience group. So it has all the nicer amenities in the machine, which are nice. Has a horn. Bobcat and Kubota are two of the ones out there that still use a very nice power hydraulic quick attach, which is nice. I like to always give my bucket a little shake, make sure it's seated down in the C shapes. Now, I always like to also look up there to make sure that latched on. It's a little safety practice I like to do. Now, I do have the sensitivity on this turned up just for the video purposes. You can actually take and slow down the bucket and the boom function. So here's your auto level. There it is, keeping it nice and level. And then we're going to return that back. All there is to that. Now, the automatic ride control, what that's doing, right there you can kind of see the boom. I'm doing that on purpose, that it's pulsing that boom. And what that is, guys, that's a nitrogen shock in there that is allowing it to shock the load on the machine so that you don't beat the machine when you're carrying across obstacles. Guys, very nice machine, 259 hours. There's not a whole lot more there to say. It is a very nice machine. It speaks for itself. We have a pair of these available right now. At the time this video is being made, these machines, I do believe, are probably sold to a company who bought 4 of them off of me last year. Very nice, very clean, 100% original, 100% ready to go to work. Again, snow season's amongst us. It is coming. Here it is, September the 9th. And we woke up this morning here to 38 degrees. It's unbelievable. But, hey, it is what it is. It is the season. So, guys, you got any questions? 814-658-3066. If you are looking for forks, grapples, augers, snow pushers, snow boxes, whatever you want to call it, any type of other attachment, swing arm cutters, vibratory rollers, you name it, I usually have it here in stock. If we can help you with something, 814-658-3066. If you're looking for a nice machine, here is one. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.